Hello friends, today I am going to take stack bar and as well as histogram. Now I will create a stack bar chart. So to understand this particular case study, so there are two variable, one is training and another is dance. So both the variables are categorical and is stacked bar possible only when we have non-metric or categorical data. So our data file is this. So let us start. So first of all we will import the file, import data set, and I have keep my data into the working directory. That is the name of this file is Lion Dance Stack Bar, and then import this particular file to run the stack bar. So here my file look like this way. Now first of all I will convert this view my data and lion dance and then my data. So as usual we will make table and my data dollar sign incentive comma my data dollar sign dance and then enter. We will get this table. Now I will convert it into the table 1, that is table my data dollar sign incentive comma my data dollar sign dance, then enter. We will create a stacked bar. So I will write here bar plot and then within this bracket table 1 and then enter. So we will get this graph. This is our stacked graph. On the x-axis there are two responses, no and yes, and on the y-axis number of number of lines. Is it clear? Now then we want to give some color scheme and as well as we want to write the title of this graph and naming the axis, x-axis and y-axis. So we will write the script here, bar plot within bracket table 1 comma main means name of the uh, title. Here types of incentive comma x lab equal to dance and another y labs y lab equal to affection versus food, comma, legend, legend equal to raw name, raw names within bracket table 1, table 1, and then we want to give the color also, so we will write here col equal to c 5 6. We can give any name, any number 5 6. So this will our graph. So types of incentive: one variable divided into two, incentive divided into two. One is food versus affection, and another dance, that is no and yes. So both the variables are categorical variable, and which is required for the stack bar. Now we will give some another color scheme to this graph. So here script is same as, only I am changing the numbers 3 and 4. So color scheme will be different, everything will be same. So this is our graph. Types of incentive: food showing blue and affection showing green. So this is our uh, stacked bar. Now we want to give, we have two options. There are two variables. In the first we have taken incentive first and dance. Now we will take dance first and incentive second, because in this case, so we can see here, though in this case we have taken incentive first and dance second. Now what will we do? We will reverse it. We will take first my data dollars and dance first, and then this incentive second. So we will write again my data. So table 1, table, what is our table? Table is my data dollar sign dance, and second my data dollar sign incentive. Now we will take another table, table 2, table 2, because we have taken first in previous previous script. So here I am taking table 2. So table 2, that is for table table my data dollar sign dance, comma, my data dollar sign incentive, and then enter. Result will be same. So table 2, dance versus incentive. Earlier we have taken incentive versus dance. So my table is table 2, table 2, this is our outcome. Now we will create bar chart, bar plot, and within this table 2, comma, beside equal to true, and we will give name, means title of this graph, main, and here types of incentive, types of incentive, and then comma x lab equal to incentive, comma ylab, ylab equal to number of lions, comma legend equal to row names, table 2, comma color scheme, col equal to, we can take any color scheme, 6 7. I'm writing here 6 7. Now we can see our graph here. So there are two incentive on x-axis and number of lines on y-axis. So we can give another color. So we just change the script only here, 6 and 7. I will write here. So we can write 3 4, because in my script it is written 3 or 4. You can take any one, 3 or 4. So our graph will appear this way. This is all about the stack bar. Now I am taking a histogram, which is very essential for our studies, because through histogram we can check the normality of the graph. So I have case study of histogram. This case study relates to the participants. They stayed 3 days in a particular music festival, national seminar, and the data, there are gender 1, male and female, day 1, day 2, and day 3. These are the score given by the uh, participants. The all the data are incentive data, sorry, continuous data. So in a continuous data, histogram can be make with the only continuous data. Is it clear? We need only continuous data for making the histogram. So we cannot make histogram for categorical data. Is it clear? So we should keep in mind when we are making a stack bar chart, then we require only categorical data. But if we want to make histogram, then we need continuous or metric data. Now I am taking the case study for this. Browse, and the case study name National Seminar Histogram. Import. So as usual I will write here first. I will, because file name is very big, so for my convenient I will write here my data, because earlier I have taken my data, so I will write here my data 1. So my data 1 and national seminar data for histogram, and then enter. So my data 1, this is day 1, day 2, and day 3. There are some missing values our data. Now we will make the histogram for there are 3 way we can make the histogram. One is for day 1, day 2, and day 3. So I will write here hist HIST. My function is hist and argument within this my data and dollar sign. There are three ways. One, day one. Now for day one my data, this will our graph. Is it clear? Perfectly normally distributed. And second, hist my data for day one. There will be three graphs: day one, day two, and day three. This is our graph. It is positively skewed graph, which is not desirable for analysis the continuous data. We need only uh, histogram which is normally distributed, means normal shape. And third is hist dollar sign my data dollar sign, sorry, my data one dollar sign day day three. Again, this graph also positively skewed graph. So we will give some title of this graph and color scheme. So what should we do? So we will write here hist and hist my data one dollar sign day one, because day one data is normally distributed, and then main title of the graph, that is histogram of day one, comma, color, sorry, day one, color C3. C3, you can give any color. I'm taking 3, and then comma y lim equal to C 0 to 300, and density of this graph density equal to 10. This is our graph. So it is normally distributed, so density relates to these signs. Now if we want to increase the density of our graph, so what will we do? So we will just change here, that is, instead of 10 I will write here 30. Everything is same. Now the density increase, more condense. We can see this is more dense in comparison to previous graph. So we can increase the density of the graph. So I am taking here 50. So this is more dense. Density increase. So you can change density according to your work. Now we will give the angle, because here angle is 45 degree. If you want to give the angle 90 degree, then we can write here angle equal to 90. Run. This is, earlier angle was almost 45 degree, here angle is, we can see here 90 degree angle. And then we want to make our graph this way also. That is, this is our graph. And another type of graph we can take it. See, we can run it this way. Color scheme is uh, different from the previous graph. And line histogram, if we want to uh, superimpose the normal curve, then we can impose this normal curve, which is required to know the normality of the data, whether our data normally distributed or not. If normal curve is bell shaped, then we can say our data is normally distributed. Otherwise it may be either positively skewed or negatively skewed. Is it clear? Now next we can give some points to the normal curve. Here we want to give the points, so we will run it this way. So we will get our graph. This is more pointed, it is point, so it is normal curve. So we can make, we can give a color scheme also. We have choice to make a graph according to our requirement. So thank you very much.